This week we're going to talk about intensive pronouns. Here's some examples of intensive pronouns. Myself, itself, yourselves, ourselves, herself, themselves, yourself, himself, not his self. You may be wondering, these look an awful lot like reflexive pronouns. And you're right. They're very much like reflexive pronouns. And we're going to talk about the differences in reflexive pronouns and intensive pronouns because they are often misused. Intensive pronouns are used to add emphasis to the subject of the incident or of the sentence. And most of the time, you're going to find the intensive pronoun right after the noun or the pronoun that it's modifying, but not always. Now we're going to go over some intensive pronoun examples, and I want you to also be thinking about how we used reflexive pronouns last week and see if you can determine what a difference in what makes something an intensive pronoun and what makes something an reflexive pronoun. Let's look at the first sentence. Mrs. Danio herself made tea. Notice that we are intensifying or emphasizing the subject, Mrs. Danio, by bringing the intensive pronoun directly after the subject. The second sentence, the mayor himself presented the award. Notice that we are taking the intensive pronoun himself directly after the subject, mayor, to intensify or emphasize the word mayor. I myself am a fan of nonfiction books. In the third sentence, we're taking the pronoun myself and intensifying it or emphasizing the I. In the fourth sentence, presented as an interrogative sentence, did you yourself make eggs for breakfast? Our intensive pronoun yourself is intensifying our pronoun you, the subject. They themselves won the final game. Themselves, our intensive pronoun, is intensifying or emphasizing the pronoun they. We ourselves wrote writing prompts last week. The intensive pronoun ourselves is intensifying or emphasizing we, the subject. The bunny itself hopped across the field. The intensive pronoun itself is intensifying or emphasizing bunny. What did you notice about all of these sentences? If you said that you noticed that the pronoun came directly after the subject, you are correct. Remember, most of the time an intensive pronoun will come directly after the subject because of that emphasizing. That's what makes it different from a reflexive pronoun. Remember, the reflexive pronoun reflected back to the subject, but it didn't emphasize it. It didn't have as much oomph or as much wow factor as an intensive pronoun. Let's take a look at the difference between intensive pronouns and reflexive pronouns because they often look alike. It's not how they look, it's how they're used, and that's the difference. Let's take a look at our first example, and we're going to use herself. Mrs. Danio made herself tea. In this sentence, herself is not, it's just reflecting Mrs. Danio. It's reflecting back to the subject. It's not going, wow, Mrs. Danio herself made tea. That would be an example of an intensive. This is just reflecting back to the sentence. Let's look at an example of an intensive pronoun usage. Mrs. Danio made tea for the President of the United States himself. In this sentence, the word himself is referring to the President of the United States. It's coming directly after President of the United States and intensifying that person. In this case, Mrs. Danio is just a simple subject. All right, it's time for you try it. Let's take a look at this sentence and decide if it's reflexive or intensive. The boy himself ate the cookie. Pause the video, write your answer down, and then we'll go over the correct answer. If you said intensive, you were correct. Let's look at our sentence again. The boy himself ate the cookie. Were we reflecting back to the subject? Sort of, but intensive is a better choice because it's coming directly after the subject, boy, and it's adding that emphasis on the subject. The boy himself ate the cookie. Might be something that we say to a 2-year-old. Time for another you try it. Let's take a look at this one. Reflexive or intensive? I baked myself a cake. Myself. Is it reflexive or intensive? Take a moment, write it down, pause the video, and we'll go over it in just a moment. If you said reflexive, you were correct. The pronoun myself is reflecting back to the subject I. It's not necessarily adding any intense feeling or emphasis. All right, time for another you try it. Reflexive or intensive? Sally is upset with herself because she forgot to bring her homework to school. If you said reflexive, you were correct. The pronoun herself is just referring back to Sally. And yeah, Sally's upset, but the pronoun herself didn't add any more emphasis to Sally. All right, here's our last one. Reflexive or intensive? Mrs. Danio's class themselves enjoyed recess. Remember to pause the video, write your answer down. If you said intensive, you were correct. There is an extra emphasis on themselves, referring back to Mrs. Danio's class and how they felt about how they were enjoying recess. Notice the exclamation mark at the end. I know you all enjoy recess. Have fun with your worksheet this week.